Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm not sure how much of this you're actually going to get because it's dark. But I'm at Flamborough Head where I was a month or so back. I'm here again and just arrived about an hour ago. It's only 5:20, 5:30, and I just fancied a little walk, but I couldn't think where to go. Blooming dark nights, and I thought my phone was pretty good in the dark, and it's almost a full moon. It's a full moon tomorrow. So I thought I'd just take a walk to the Flamborough headland. There's paths going off in both directions, down some precipitous drops to cliffs. There's the bay down there. You can't see it at all, can you? And there's the lighthouse there. Your eyes are obviously better than the camera. I didn't use the GoPro because somebody said they're really bad in the dark. Not going to go too far because people might think it's a bit weird. There's people staying in the little house at the end, which is where the foghorn used to be. As I say, I just wanted a breath of fresh air after driving here. So maybe for a few days, so there'll be a few more videos through the daytime. Bridlington's that way. Holland is that way. Denmark is that way. North is that way. Seems to give 4 flashes. 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, the winter does give you opportunities that you don't get the rest of the year. Walking in the dark. Usually you need like a torch with you, don't you? Which I've got a really good one a year or two back for just for eventualities like this. I'm going to go right to the end. This was the foghorn. I don't know if you can see it, because the road ends here. There's a bit of a... That's it guys. That's as far as I'm going. There's the foghorn there. I don't know if you can see it. And 200-foot cliffs below me, so I'm not going to get lost. I'm going to go straight back to this little bit of road here. Because you can't see it, I don't think, just there. Literally is the cliffs. So I think I did explain I've been really busy in my personal life and my work life recently, so I haven't been able to make any videos. And then when I am coming up with ideas, they're just not working. I don't know if any of you saw I did a live stream, a driving live stream the other week. Thought that was a good idea. This is why I'm not going to become a millionaire YouTuber. I did a driving live stream, and half of it was missing because we didn't have any signal. Likewise, going for a walk on Flamborough Head in the dark. Not my best idea, I don't think. Alright, if you wanted to go to sleep, I guess. It's incredible though to see it. I wish I could. I hope this is picking it up. You can see the cliffs. If it wasn't for this path, and if you didn't have a torch, you could be in a lot of trouble. Going around here in the dark. But the says do something new every day, and I've never walked towards Flamborough Head lighthouse from the east when it's been working, shining its light over the sea to the west. That's it, guys. I don't think this has worked, but it was worth a try, wasn't it? And I've got some steps in. Yeah, it would have been better if there was full moon and no cloud. I seem to be, for the first time, picking something up. So let's see what. So thanks for watching, guys. See you over the next few days. Hopefully a little bit more success. See you soon, bye.